Hello dear students, I hope you all are safe at your places. Today we'll do the literature work. We'll do one poem today, alright? And the name of the poem is The Clothesline, alright? And this poem has been written by Charlotte Drute Cole. She is a very famous poetess. And in this poem, first of all, this poem is about what? From the heading itself, it is clear. The poetess she is talking, the name she has given to the poem is the clothes line. So it means we'll be talking about clothes in this line. All right, और clothes line क्या होती है? It is a very common thing which is found in our houses, mostly on the roof of our houses. किस लिए यूज़ करते हैं? To dry the clothes. ये देखो यहाँ पे भी in the pic it is clear this is the clothes line and clothes are hanging here to dry. So another thing is which thing we use to hang the clothes. See, few things are given here: safety pin, binder clip, clothes peg and hair clip. So we are the students of 4th grade. We all are aware that clothes peg is used to hang the clothes. All right, so before starting with the poem, let me introduce you that this poem is about what? The poetess, she is comparing the clothes with the everyday life things. All right, the things which we use daily or we saw in our regular routine. All right, so in the beginning she is talking about कि poetess को क्या लग रहा है that the clothes which are hanging on the wire, they are holding the hands of each other and they are dancing happily in the wind. There is a strong wind going on and the clothes are dancing happily in the wind. So moving ahead, she compares these all clothes with the many other things. First she compares the clothes with the birds, then with the snow. Also she's talking about horses and the clothes. She's comparing them both. She also compares the clothes with the witches. Then here in the middle of the poem she's creating little bit suspense also. She's talking about that one cloth. ये देखो, it is lost somewhere. All right, so which is that cloth और कैसे होता ये सब कुछ poem में, this we will be talking about. First of all, I'll read this poem for you. All right, then I'll explain it side by. So see, hand in hand they dance in a row, hither and thither and to and fro. Flip, flap, flop, and away they go, fluttering creatures as white as snow. Like restive horses, they caper and prance, like fairy tale witches, they whitely dance. Rounded in front, pull hollow behind, they shiver and skip in the merry March wind. One I saw dancing excitedly, struggling so wildly till she was free. Then leaving pegs and clothesline behind her, she flew like a bird and no one can find her. I saw her gleam like a sail in the sun, flipping and flapping and flopping for fun. Nobody knows where she now can be, hid in a ditch or drowned in the sea. She was my handkerchief not long ago, but she will never come back to my pocket, I know. So, this is the poem I have read for you. Before starting with the explanation of poem, let me introduce few things, few poetic language which are used in the poems. All right. First of all, there are rhyming words. Rhyming words क्या होते हैं? ये आप लोगों ने थर्ड में भी करा होगा. Words which have the same sound, है ना, जो रिलेट होते हैं एक दूसरे के साथ, म्यूजिकली थोड़े से लगते हैं, तो उनको हम बोलते हैं राइमिंग वर्ड्स. ठीक है, जैसे है यहाँ पे, let me give you one example of the rhyming words from the poem itself. See, row, snow, rhyming हो रही है ना आपस में. Prance, dance, ऐसे बहुत सारे words हैं. ठीक है, these are the rhyming words. Apart from the rhyming words, there are metaphors. Abhi, what are the metaphors? This is a new term for you. ऐसे वर्ड्स विच आर यूज टू कंपेयर द थिंग्स. जैसे हमारे यहाँ पे मेन क्या है मोटिव, हमारा क्लोथ्स है ना, मेन जो सेंटर ऑफ अट्रैक्शन है, इसको हम जिसके साथ कंपेयर कर रहे हैं. जैसे लाइक रेस्टिव हॉर्सेस, यहाँ पे किसके साथ कंपेयर किया हमने? हॉर्सेस के साथ. लाइक अगेन इज यूज है ना फेयरी टेल विच इज. सो दीज आर व्हाट दीज आर द मेटाफॉर्स विच वी यूज इन अ पोइम. ऑलराइट. सेम एक हमारे पास और टर्म होती है alliterations. Now what are the alliterations? ऐसे वर्ड, एक ऐसी लाइन जिसमें सारे वर्ड सेम अल्फ़ाबेट से शुरू होते हैं. जैसे here we have read this line ना, flipping and flapping and flopping for fun. Flipping, flapping, flopping, fun. 4 words, right? सारे के सारे F से शुरू हो रहे हैं. So this sort of word, this sort of lines are called alliterations. All right. So now I'll begin with the एक्चुअल एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ ईच लाइन. ठीक है. जैसे हम एक चैप्टर पढ़ते हैं तो वी टॉक अबाउट पैराग्राफ्स. इन अ पोइम विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट, पोइम में क्या होता है? स्टैंजाज होते हैं. ठीक है. सो हियर वी गो विद द फर्स्ट स्टैंजा. आई हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड द समरी, थोड़ा सा इंट्रोडक्शन मैंने आपको ऑलरेडी दे दी है. नाउ विल गो बाय लाइन्स. ऑलराइट. सो बी केयरफुल एंड लिसन टू मी केयरफुली.